Some relationships only last one person keeps tolerating disrespect. The moment they stop, it all falls apart. You say you have got 5 years or 10 years with your wife, but that relationship you are the one who is forcing, and you know that your partner is no longer interested on you. The moment you say enough is enough, that relationship is end of that relationship. It means that your relationship end long time ago, but you are being forcing sometimes guys. We have to accept the situation that person is not in love with you. Now you say you have got 5 years or 6 years with your partner because you are the one who is forcing yourself to that person, into that person. So sometimes guys, it's better to accept the situation and leave. If you look, the moment you say enough is enough, that relationship stops. It means that person was not interested on you. Sometimes you know that you are keeping tolerating disrespect. If you know that person is disrespecting you every time, doesn't love you most of the time, and you are keeping tolerating, you say one day he can change, one day my wife can change, one day my husband can change, or your boyfriend can change, but nothing change. You have got 10 years or 8 years with that person, but nothing changed in your relationship, and you say we have got 10 years in relationship, but you know that in that 10 years you are in tears every day, you are crying every day, complaining about your boyfriend, complaining about your wife. You know that relationship you are the one who is forcing, but that person was not interested on you. At the moment you are stop forcing, or you have stop being in that relationship, that relationship end most of the time because that person was not interested on you. So sometimes don't force things in life. Sometimes if you know that relationship is not working, it's better to end it early now, because you say we have got 10 years. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time with a person who is not interested on you. At that time, maybe you say it's enough. I don't want to tolerate this disrespect anymore. It's the end of your relationship, and you are moving on with your life. You know that sometimes you are forcing a person. It is you. You are forcing a person. Maybe you caught him cheating on you every time, and you forgive him or you forgive her because you love that person. But that person, why he is keeping cheating on you? He doesn't love you. That's why he is keep cheating on you. So sometimes don't tolerate. Maybe that day you stop tolerating all those nonsense is the end of your relationship.